Hi Pisces, this is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, alamin natin kung ano yung mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces sa araw na ito, okay? And gusto ko lang po kayong kumustahin. Kumusta po ang Pasko and sa susunod na mga araw, 2024 na. So abangan nyo po ang ating yearly reading for 2024. Ipopost ko po yan sa January 1, 2024. Okay? Pero as of now, gawa tayo ng daily reading for Pisces. Gamitin natin itong dalawang tarot cards natin dito. Ito yung isa-shuffle natin mamaya. And ito naman is yung clarifications for the cards na lalabas. Okay? So, reminder lang Pisces na ito ay general reading po. So, pwede pong mag-resonate sa'yo, pwede pong hindi, okay? And this is a timeless reading. So, kahit anong araw, buwan o taon mo to napanood, basta mag-resonate po, take nyo lang, okay? Shuffle muna natin to. And welcome po ang lahat ng gender Pisces, babae, lalaki, LGBT man yung nanonood, and yung mga taong dinidil nyo po, take nyo lang basta mag-resonate. And ang mga energies na lalabas dito, kahit ma-masculine or feminine man, again, wala po tayong gender specific. Depende po yun sa kung sino yung mag-resonate sa energy na yun, okay? It's either you or yung taong dinidil nyo po. Basta mag-resonate po Pisces, take nyo lang. Basta pag hindi, wag po nating ipilit. Okay? So, ano po ang message niyo po for Pisces sa araw na ito? May nag-flip. Oh, King of Swords and Ace of Swords. Oh, wow. So, pwede nyo dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay. So, this Ace of Swords is for sure, klarong-klaro, obviously, is galing kay King of Swords. Okay. So, there is something na big decision na gagawin from or towards or galing kay King of Swords, okay? And there's the Strength, King of Pentacles. Oh, wow. So, meron tayo ditong dalawang masculine energy or pwedeng iisa lang taong to. And, iba lang yung characteristics ng taong dinidin mo ngayon, Pisces, okay? And, Seven of Wands and Wheel of Fortune. Okay. So, Pisces, pwede you're dealing again with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, with an Leo. Okay? Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and Wheel of Fortune. Wala po siyang signs. Okay? So, pwedeng you're dealing with two masculine energy, Pisces, or pwedeng pareho kayo nito, isa ka dito. It's either this is you're the King of Swords or you're the King of Pentacles, okay? Or pwedeng iisang tao lang to, and again, iba yung characteristics niya, okay? Or there's a decision making. Bottom of the deck, oh wow, Six of Wands. Six of Wands. Okay. There's a situation na ang outcome nito is maganda, Pisces. Okay? Ang outcome nito is sobrang ganda. So, kuha tayo ng clarifications for King of Swords. Ayun. King of Swords. Oh, wow. Ten of Cups, Pisces. Happy marriage, happy life. Long-term commitment. Oh, wow. Ace of Swords naman. Death, okay? Huwag kayo matakot kung meron nito, okay? So, death represents something as new beginning or end of the chapter, okay? Or something na merong big decision na gagawin especially galing kay King of Swords kasi swords yung kasunod niya, okay? And also, Pisces, pwedeng you're dealing with another water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and Scorpio, okay? So, ano po ang ibig sa clarifications for the Strength? Ang bilis lumabas ng mga cards natin ngayon. Okay, dalawa siya. Four of Pentacles and Five of Pentacles. Okay. Okay. Ano po ang clarifications for King of Pentacles? Ano po ang clarifications for King of Pentacles for Pisces? Ayun, there's the sun. Okay, so pwedeng you're dealing with someone na Leo, Pisces, okay? Or pwedeng nasa sun, moon, rising, itong mga signs na nandito. It's either this is your chart or ito yung dinidil na specific person mo. Okay, so 7 of Wands, the moon, Pisces sign, okay, and Wheel of Fortune. Ano po ang clarifications for Wheel of Fortune? Ayun, may nag-flip. The Strength. Okay, so pwede you're dealing with someone na the Leo, Pisces. Okay, bottom of the deck. The Judgment. Wow. Okay, so actually, as of now, Pisces, na napag-alaman ko na there's a new moon, I think full moon or new moon, okay? I don't know, pwedeng comment nyo na lang po sa comment box natin dyan sa baba kung ano po yung yung moon lalabas. I think full moon, and it's full moon in Cancer, I think. Okay, hindi po ako sure pero there is something na big revelations. There's something na full of emotions, full of big revelations, okay? Punong-puno ng, alam mo yun, yung parang there's revelations coming from your specific person, Pisces, or pwedeng ikaw to mismo yung parang magbibigay. Take nyo lang po, pwede pong vice versa. And this is full of emotion, especially the Cancer sign, okay? Full of emotions, punong-puno yung kung ano yung gusto niya sabihin sa'yo, or kung ano yung sabihin mo sa kanya, okay? The word revelation, okay? So, pero I think yung revelation na yun, yung magiging outcome nun is maganda. Okay? Magiging outcome nun for you, Pisces, is there's an improvement, okay? Or there's a level up for your situation and you're dealing with someone, okay? Kasi ang bottom of the reading, bottom of the deck natin dito is 6 of Wands, which is a good nice, wonderful card, which is winning card, successful, victory, okay? And the Judgment, this card represents as answered prayers, okay? Answered prayers, something na dreams do come true, anything na parang matatanggap mo, or manifestations na, alam mo yun, yung parang I don't chase, I attract. Parang ganun, okay? Hindi mo ito, kumbaga, ipipilit, Pisces, kusa itong darating sa'yo, especially this full moon. There's a revelations na matatanggap mo, or ikaw yung magbibigay. Take nyo lang po, okay? So, napahaba yung intro natin. So, ang unang lumabas is King of Swords. Again, pwedeng you're dealing with two masculine energies, or pwedeng iisang tao lang to. So, there's a King of Swords, and ang kasunod niya is Ace of Swords, Pisces. There's a big as I said kanina, decision, okay? There's pwede ding revelation kasi as what I have explained to you lately, na there's a big revelations, there's a big decision making coming from this King of Swords, and ito yung kumbaga paninindigan niya, okay? Kasi King of Swords represents something, a strong personality, but at the same time, kung ano yung gusto niya, yun yung mangyayari, ganun, okay? So pwede ikaw yun, Pisces, yung parang meron kang i-decide, meron kang gagawing decision, and yun dapat ang mangyayari, okay? Or this person is meron siyang decision for you or towards you, and alam mo yun, there's an eager, okay? Kumbaga, dedikasyon na gagawin niya talaga just for you, Pisces. Okay? And the Strength card, you have to control your emotions. Teka nga, iano mo nga natin to sa clarifications natin. King of Swords, ito yung decision niya, which is merong connection sa love and family. Okay, so, wow, there's a big revelations coming from King of Swords and Ace of Swords, which is merong malaking connection sa pamilya and sa commitment. Okay? The Death card represents something as end of the cycle and new path. Okay? Bagong landa. So, sa nararamdaman ko, again, inuulit ko lang, there's a decision coming from this person na kung saan andun yung eager na gagawin niya. And meron siyang sasabihin sa iyo, Pisces, or ikaw yung magsasabi na, alam mo, paninindigan ko to, gusto ko nang Okay, bigla akong naisip yung word na magpakasal, okay, or gusto ko ng mag-abroad, gusto ko ng, alam mo yun, magnegosyo, lumipat sa ibang trabaho, okay. Andun yung parang there's a decision and, eager siyang gawin yun, okay, Pisces, or puwedeng ikaw 'to. And the strength card represents as control your emotions. Always kung sinasabi yun, Pisces, the strength card, pag lumalabas to, control your emotions, control your mouth, control your tongue, okay? Para, alam mo yun, hindi masira kung ano man yung plano mo, kung ano man yung gusto mong gawin. Okay? Or pwedeng itong taong to is, andun yung alam mo yun, controlling, pero at the same time, yung pagko-control niya is there's a big, parang advantage naman sa ganun, okay? Especially kung about sa pera, okay? So, sa nararamdaman ko, if you're dealing with this person, Pisces, this person is sobrang magaling humawak sa pera. Okay? Pwedeng ito ay merong koneksyon, maayos na trabaho, okay? Maganda yung trabaho, pwedeng maayos yung kumpanya na, okay? Merong magandang negosyo, okay? Umaasenso, okay? So, there's a big connection about money. Okay? So, this person, kung ano man yung decision niya towards you, Pisces, or ikaw to mismo, Pisces, kung ano man yung decision mo na kung saan merong connection sa pamilya, new path, okay, merong malaking connection din ito sa pera. Okay? Ayon yun ang mangyari ito, Five of Pentacles, kumbaga, nagsa-self-pity, naaawa sa sarili, okay? Kumbaga before 'to mangyari or pinipigilan yung hindi 'to mangyari ulit. Hindi 'to mangyari na kung saan nahihirapan, there's a shortcomings in money, there's a shortage in money, there's an alam mo yun, yung kakulangan sa pinansyal. Ayaw nito mangyari, okay? So, there's a prevention. And yung prevention na ginagawa nyo is pag-iipon ng pera. Okay? Pag-iipon ng pera, marunong humawak ng pera, marunong alam mo yun, yung mga gastusin, magaling siya humawak sa pera talaga. Pwedeng you're dealing with someone na matured energy, Pisces, na kung saan there's a strong emotions, there's a eagerness with its person, but it is at the same time magaling siya sa pera. And also, parang more on logic siya, Pisces. More on practical. Or ikaw to mismo, okay? More on practical ka, mas ano ka sa pera, mas ano ka sa, alam mo yun, yung decision mo is, ang tawag nito, yung parang nakalatag. Yung parang, there's a synchronicity na ito yung mga plano, there's a list. Kumbaga, meron kang listahan na ito yung mangyayari, ganito, ganyan. Okay? So, organize yung pagde-decide ng taong to. Pwede you're dealing again with someone na ganito and isa ka sa mga or ikaw yung big factor kung ano man yung decision niya na gagawin sa inyo. Okay? So, pwedeng ito ay merong connection sa love, lalo na merong family tayo dito, or pwedeng merong connection sa pera, sa trabaho. Okay? Pwedeng maglilipat ng ibang kumpanya, mag-abroad, maghahanap ng trabaho, okay? Or magsa-start na ng negosyo, okay? Or magpapakasal, magsa-start na ng sariling pamilya. Take nyo lang po kung saan mag-resonate, okay? And King of Pentacles and the Sun, Pisces, full of positivity, full of practicality, okay? Sa kung ano mang decision ng taong to, Pisces, iniisip niya, kumbaga, this person kasi is more on, iniisip niya yung positive side, okay? Kumbaga, mas tinitingnan yung brighter side ng buhay. Okay? Kaya sa nararamdaman ko, this person is have a attitude or personality na problem solver. Okay? So kung you're dealing with someone na ganito, Pisces, this person is anong tawag nito, parang mapapagkatiwalaan mo sa lahat ng bagay, especially yung mga, alam mo yun, yung mga problema, lalo na pinansyal, okay, or kung ano man, madali mo siyang matawagan, madali mo siyang, alam mo yun, mahinga anong tawag nito, yung parang mahinga ng advices, okay? Kung karelasyon mo man to, this person, he or she wants to be your ano, to be your knight in shining armor. Okay, kumbaga, kung meron ka mang problema, kung meron ka mang, alam mo yun, yung iniisip, gusto niya siya yung mag-resolve nun. Gusto niya yung parang, iniisip niya yung kaayusan. Okay? And ayaw niyang, alam mo yun, yung parang, mag-isip ng negative, okay? Most of the time, iniisip ng taong to na magiging okay din lahat. Or ikaw to Pisces, basta take nyo lang po kung saan mag-resonate. Iniisip mo Pisces na magiging okay din lahat. Okay? Kumbaga, iniisip mo na there's a reason, everything happens for a reason, and tinitingnan mo yung brighter side. Okay? And 7 of Wands, and meron tayo ditong the Moon. Okay, hindi ko na lang kukunin, dyan na lang yan. So, the moon, iniiwasan nyo, as I said kanina, there's the sun and there's the moon. So, as I said kanina, iniisip ng taong to, yung mga positivities, yung mga kagandahan sa buhay, okay? And she wants to resolve all the problems in life, okay? Merong connection nito sa kung anumang decision na gagawin niya just for you, Pisces. Okay? Kasi, alam mo yun, yung parang ayaw niya ng secrets, ayaw niya ng, alam mo yun, yung parang merong hindrance sa inyong dalawa, there's a struggle. Most of the time, this person is, mapapagkatiwalaan mo talaga siya eh. Kung ano yung hingin mo, ibibigay niya. Okay, ganun siya ganun, anything. Kumbaga, kung ano yung meron ka mang problema, sabihan mo lang siya. Parang ganun. Okay? And most of the time, parang, ayaw niya ng parang wala siyang gagawin. Okay? I hope nage-gets niyo po, Pisces. Ayun yung personality ng taong to, na most of the time gusto niyang meron siyang gawin. Okay? Gusto niyang meron siyang ginagawa. Kasi pag wala siyang ginagawa, madali siyang maboard. Okay? Or pwedeng ikaw to, Pisces, madali kang maboard, and at the same time, prone sa stress, anxiety, okay? Or pwedeng ikaw to na kung saan meron kayong different personality ng taong to. Again, pwedeng dalawang tao to, and magkaiba yung ugali, okay? So, pwedeng isa ka dito and isa yung person na dito. Okay? So, you have a different personality, Pisces. The moon and the sun, okay? Light and darkness, okay? So, merong isa sa inyo na parang problem solver, and merong isa sa inyo yung parang emotional. More on emotion siya, madaling may stress, madaling umiyak, okay? And yung isa naman is more on practical, okay? Yung parang iniisip niya, kung ano yung problema mo, ako bahala. Okay? So alam mo yun, yung parang there's a damsel in distress and knight in shining armor, okay? So, actually, it's kinda cute naman. Different personality, pero andun yung eagerness na magtulungan sa isa't isa. So, there's a big, kumbaga, connection sa inyong dalawa. Although, opposite attracts. Okay? Magkaiba kayo ng ugali, pero pinipilit yung pagtibayin, lalo na meron tayo ditong 10 of Cups. Okay? So, sobrang ganda ng connection niyo, Pisces. Pasensya na po talaga, meron po tayong background noises po, yung mga bata naglalaro sa baba, okay? And the Wheel of Fortune, the Strength again. Okay, so again, sinabi ko kanina, pwedeng there's a big possibility of an outcome of the situation will improve. Okay, so sa inyong dalawa, sa inyong connection na ito, pwedeng ito ay love, pwedeng ito ay trabaho, pwedeng ito ay financial, okay? There's a big possibility na kung anong man decision nyo na gagawin nyo, magiging maganda yung outcome, Pisces, okay? As long as you know how to handle the situation, and at the same time, walang bibitaw. Okay? Walang bibitaw, hawak kamay, okay? Sa kahit anumang mangyari sa inyong pwedeng relasyon or sa trabaho, okay, or sa connection ng taong dinidil mo ngayon, Pisces. The Wheel of Fortune represents something as life-changing situation. So, pwede meron nitong connection sa the death. Okay? Meron nitong connection sa Ace of Swords. There's an ending of the cycle, but at the same time, magbubukas ng panibagong pinto. Magbubukas ng panibagong pinto, Pisces, na kung saan merong panibagong landas, natatahakin mo together with this person, okay? As long as walang bibitaw, control your emotions, okay? Lalo na't magkaiba kayo ng ugali, Pisces, okay? And bottom of the deck is Six of Wands and the Judgment. And-explain ko na to kanina, pero sobrang ganda ng outcome, ng reason, ng kung ano man yung connection nyo sa reading natin ngayon. There's a positive outcome, success, winning, okay? Lahat ng mga tao magugulat sa kung ano man yung decision, connection nyo, okay? Pwedeng ito ay sa trabaho, sa love, okay? Sa negosyo na kung saan, oo, maraming mangyayari, maraming ano, pero hawak kamay lang. Sinasabi ko kanina, hawak kamay, walang bibitaw, and as long as you know how to handle each other. Okay? And everything will fall into place. Everything will fall into place. Lahat mangyayari just for you. Okay? So, kuha tayo ng mga initials, random words, kung sino, or ano po yung konektado sa ating reading ngayon. Okay? Oh, so there's a letter V. Meron tayo ditong letter V, company. Yes, pwedeng ito ay change of company or there's a level up of your company, Pisces. Coffee and tea. Okay. Chinito, chinita. Kakilala mula sa malayo. Kamag-anak, yes. Pwede meron itong connection sa kamag-anak, family, kasi meron tayo ditong 10 of cups. Mataba, okay. So, pwedeng chinito, mataba, I mean, pwedeng chubby, okay. And chinito, chinita. Chat, text, or tawag. Letter I. So, meron tayo ditong V and I. W. Okay. Ano pa po? Older, pwedeng ikaw yung mas matanda or siya yung mas matanda sa'yo, Pisces. Younger, so there's a big age difference sa inyong dalawa. And madaldal. Okay. So, meron tayo ditong initials, W, I, and V. Kakilala mula sa malayo, company, chinito, chinita, mataba. Coffee or tea, madaldal, younger, older, chat, text, tawag, or kamag-anak. Okay? So, yun lang po, Pisces, ang ating reading. Naway nagustuhan niyo po. Huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel. And click the bell button para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin. Okay? Thank you, Pisces, and God bless!